Greetings one and all. I hope you're well. This is an update to the microphone Masterclass. Made a few changes. Not going to bring loads of mics. I've settled on these. Basically the origins of the species. So I'm going to go through a couple of dynamics here from designs in the 60s. Going to bring a ribbon and then an early condenser because I want to go through the styles of microphone. So here's the idea. I'll go through my experience with microphones, how I got into it and ones I got early on and so on. And then a bit about how they work. So it gives you a sense to me of what you're doing. Just a little. Won't take too long on that. Going to go through all the polar patterns, on and off switches, radio mics. I won't bring a radio mic, but explain what's going on. Then we'll have a listen to these different types of mics, two dynamics and the ribbon and the condenser. Try them on your voices. I'm going to look at microphone Mischief, which is like the proximity, feedback, polar pattern, pops, esses, handling noise, the rapper's grip, etc. Too much salt and sugar. So I call that tonal shaping, the tendency towards a preponderance of presence. Maybe you like it, we'll see. Doing the different voices then with a voice analysis as well, listening to people's voices and thinking what might work. Singing styles, opera, musical theatre, crooning, country, folk, rock. You notice the way they use microphones differently. The great enabler, what it allows you to do that you can't do without. And on it goes a little bit about PA, EQ, compression, proximity and so on. I've mentioned that already. And your style of music. So we might not have enough time to get through all this. I'm going to split it into two sections, then we'll have a break, and then we'll have the sections where people come up and sing with the microphones. Haven't got room for many people. I'm thinking the way it's going to go now is we're going to make it free to City Vocal Coach students and one or two others. I'll put a link. Might be able to have some people come in. Not everybody will get to sing because you probably haven't got time. Just understand that. The idea also is to live stream it. I had a little go at that here in the kitchen. I wasn't very successful. I'm going to have a go. Basically, this is the first one. I think it's going to be good. Be nice to have some other singers around, not just me the whole time with these mics. We'll use the mics I've chosen. Could do other ones later with the Neumanns and all sorts of other things once you've got things going. So the first one, I think we're going to make it free of charge because it's a little bit like that. It's the first one and, it takes a while to know how things are going to work. And we'll either have a video, well, we will have a video, but I'm hoping to be able to live stream it somehow or other. It's not rocket science really, is it? It's probably me. Anyway, look forward to seeing you one way or another. Keep well.